Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you how to do the Ombrée Tile. Very simple. I shared this card when I did my kickoff video for the new catalog, the 2018-19, and many people asked me how to do this. Well, this time I'm going to share with you how to do it on a regular size card. This is a note card, and now we're going to do it on a regular size card. The stamp set, it accented blooms, and it's the center of this that I'm using. So that's the blank one, and also I need the halo. And so the piece, I'm going to mount it. So this one, it's direct on the note card. Both of it, it's the same way. It doesn't matter the size of the card. I'm going to share with you the tips that I'm going to share. You're going to see how simple it is. So the front of my card measure 5 1/4 by 4. So you're going to take a piece of scrap paper of the size of where you're going to stamp. So this is the same size than this. So instead of having many measurements, I find it way easier to use a scrap paper, fold it in two, and fold it in two again. So you fold it in two on one side, fold it back again on the other side. This is going to give us right the center, put it at the edge there, the center of our card. So I know this is the center of my card. Now I'm going to do it in red color today. The other one was in the blue green. So I get lovely lipstick, real red, cherry cobbler, and Mary Merlot. I'm going to do my center in cherry cobbler. So I'm going to start with that, and we're going to start with the Hello stamp set. So I need another block, because the yellow, it's a little bit bigger, but it still works. So let me grab another block. It's just a tad bigger. So now I'm going to hang my stamp set. And now this, I know it's my center, so I'm going to guide on this. So I know it's right there. So I put that, the center of my stamp, and there, the center of this piece. So I know, okay, it's here. I'm going to remove this and stamp this. Et voila. Now I know that's my center. Now I'm going to take the other one, and we're going to keep on going with this there and here. It's right at the edge. Maybe I should have used a bigger block. So now we got the cherry cobbler done. Now below it's going to be the light. We're going to go lighter. So in this case, it's going to be real red. Oh yeah, I do have a. So let me wipe this on my cleaner. If you don't have the new cleaner, the pad, you just add water. It is amazing. Now we're going to go with real red, and we're going in the center. So come right here in the center, stamp, center stamp, and then we're going to go on the side. I'm going to be honest with you, if my block would be a little bit bigger, it would be easier, because right now it's hard to see where the edge is. So now we're done with the red. I'm going to clean this, and I said it would be easier with another block, so why not switch it? So I'm going to use my bigger block. If you're wondering which block, it's the D. Now we got real red done. We're going to go with lovely lipstick. That's going to be the next one. And again, you're going to go always start where you get an opening in the center. You go in the center. Going to go here. Here. Oh, I could have went a little bit higher there. Here we go. And here. So now we got that one done. We're going to go with a darker one going on the top. That's going to be Merlot. And again, I'm going right in the center of 2. That makes it life a lot easier. The center of 2. Oh, this one didn't have enough ink. Here we go. and here. So that it's done. So now we would go decrease the color again. So then I would use again the, let me think here, cherry cobbler. Gonna go in the center of this, center, center. Okay, after cherry cobbler, it was our real red. I'm gonna go back with real red. Just gonna do my little tip that I miss. And then after the lovely lipstick, oops, I get some white there. After the lovely lipstick, then we would start back. So I just gonna put the real, I'm gonna use the same color, lovely lipstick, real red. Right there. And right there. And right now, you see I get two places. I think I had something on my ink pad there. Must have a piece of air or something. So I'm just going to come back and cover those two white dots. Et voila. Now I'm going to have to do the next one just so it match. Et voila, my friend. Now, for my center, I use, or hello you, I use All on Oak. And I get the U. And that we're going to use in the darkest color. Let me get that on the right side. And I'm going to put that right there. That is it. Now let me close those ink pads so I don't put the card on top of it. And I didn't put bring jewel for this one, but you're going to have the jig. I got Mary Merlot. So I'm going to use the Mary Merlot to put that on top. And the Mary Merlot, it's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Just say I get a little border. Voila. Let's remove this. This looks distracting. And then my card base, it is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. Score at 4 1/4. And then, you know what? We're going to use a ribbon. I need colors. I got the white, which one is this here? The classic weave ribbon. So I'm just going to do a strip here. Going to cut that right there. We're going to just do a faux bow. So wrap it around your finger, tie it once, and once again. So twice. Take this. Now I'm going to put more glue over here. It needed something, right? Let's flip this. Here we go. Right here and right there. And I always like to put more adhesive in the back of my ribbon. Just a little border of white with the white ribbon. I think that looked perfect. Here we go. So that is it. So in the bottom, you can do the border again in the bottom. So let's bring this inside the card. You can do just partial of the ribbon, whatever it's called, the tile. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that right here so I know where my center is. I'm going to use real red. And just to know where my center is. So I know my center is here, but I want right just about halfway. I use the tip at the top, so I know that's my center. I'm going to move that about here. 1, 2, and 3. So now I got the decoration to also inside. So this is it, my friend, on how to do the tile. I call that the diamond tile, with the accent blooms, the inside of your stamp set. That is it. Hope you enjoyed this. And again, for all the product and the measurement, just visit my blog at FrenchieStamps.com. Right below, it's going to give you the direct link, or in the eye above, and you're going to have all measurement, all the color that I use, and also the easy 24/7 for shopping if you are in the US. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.